Hey there! If you've been experiencing strange color issues with your Google TV, you're not alone. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix color on Google TV so you can enjoy vibrant and accurate colors once again. The following tips will help you troubleshoot and solve common color problems effectively. Step 1. Check cable connection. The first thing to do when fixing color on Google TV is to check all your cable connection. Ensure that the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both your TV and the streaming device. Loose cables can cause color distortion or signal issues, so make sure everything is tightly connected. Consider using a high-speed HDMI cable for better performance and color accuracy. Step 2. Adjust TV color setting. Next, grab your remote and access the TV's settings menu. Navigate to the picture or display settings and look for options related to color. Here, you can adjust the hue, saturation, and contrast to get the colors just right. Many TVs also have preset modes such as movie, standard, or vivid, which you can test to see which one provides the best color accuracy for your needs. Step 3. Update software. Outdated software can sometimes be the culprit behind color issues. Ensure that your Google TV software and any TV firmware are up to date. Head to the settings menu and check for any available software updates under System or About section. An update may include bug fixes that resolve color problems. Step 4. Calibrate the TV. For more precise adjustments, consider calibrating your TV. This process involves using calibration tools or software to fine-tune the color settings. While professional calibration can be expensive, there are DIY options available online. Calibration can make a significant difference in color accuracy, especially if default settings are off. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If you've tried all the above steps and still face color issues, resetting the device to its factory settings can be an effective last resort. Go to the settings menu on your Google TV and find the Reset or Factory Data Reset option. This will return all settings to their default values, potentially resolving any unnoticed configuration errors affecting color output. Getting the color just right on your Google TV is crucial for an optimal viewing experience. By following these steps on how to fix color on Google TV, you can troubleshoot and resolve most color-related issues. Start by checking cable connection. Adjust the TV's color settings. Ensure your software is updated. Consider calibration. And finally, reset to factory settings if necessary. Remember, accurate color can enhance not only the visual quality, but also your overall enjoyment of your favorite shows and movies. Take the time to fine-tune your display and enjoy vividly colorful entertainment.